Today we've launched something very path-breaking, that on the laser jet portfolio within our printing category. Just to give you some background, uh, we've been innovating on the laser jet portfolio in the last 30-31 years, on and off over various periods of time. But this being very path-breaking, because for the first time we launched a very holistic set of features in the product range that we've launched under the umbrella of what we call as the Jet Intelligence portfolio. And what Jet Intelligence basically, in very simplistic means for a customer, is that it is far more space saving than a previous generation printer. It gives you far more page yield from the same amount of toner within the cartridge. It is up to 50% plus energy efficient compared to the previous series of printers. And I think they've covered fast and first page. It's about 40% faster in terms of the first page printout when you fire a command. So all that on and off has been part of our various printers here and there, but this is one umbrella thing that we put together on the Jet Intelligence piece. Plus it comes with other features like print gauge. This Jet Intelligence tells the user as to what's your printing pattern, how many pages it can print out more. It comes with a very easy installation process. Earlier on, the old toners, you have to take out from the box, pull out a tab, and then put it here. You don't have to do anything. It's just plug and play. You just take it out of the box, put it inside the machine. Made it very user friendly from a customer perspective. So this Jet Intelligence package is what is new in the series that we've launched today. Our leaders, we cannot unfortunately share the numbers, but we continue to be the leaders in the market. And whenever we can provide, we can help get you the data. Unfortunately, we will not be able to share, but I can only tell you that the multifunction printers are seeing a much better. The market is shifting towards multifunction devices. Of course, again, those cities continue to grow equally well. I cannot comment whether they're growing better or lower, but upcountry markets continue to grow well for us. And that's all around our other initiatives around channel expansion, coverage, those kind of initiatives. So they're doing extremely well. I think that is more around digitization. From the way our focus firstly is around building strong partnerships with service, specialized, what we call as ISVs. Build our associations with the system integrators. Build our solutions package around our devices, because that need is huge. Digitization need is huge. So we are also building our entire ecosystem as to how we can meet our customers' requirement beyond the hardware, because that's a service, that's a solution. It requires a lot of very specialized applications. So we're building that ecosystem too. we continue to work with all our go-to-market. We've got 3 go-to-markets. One is through consumers, one is commercial, and one is enterprise. So each has their own specific initiative to drive business. For example, I briefly mentioned about coverage. It's about going into more cities and towns, with our products. It's a very simple thing, but that helps, grow business. So that's, if you have any further questions, very specific, we can get that answer for you.
Okay.
But we have various initiatives for each of those go-to-markets to grow the business.
For your enterprise,
for commercial or for consumer.
Right.
We do whatever research needs to be done. We have to ensure that our pricing is in line with, it should not be way off the mark based on the customer needs and what they will pay for that feature. So all that analysis we keep doing. We keep working with our worldwide teams. Finally, the product is developed by them, but we price it in a way that whatever local market research tells us, and we don't go out of whack in that way. Any major challenges? I only see opportunities that exist in this country. So opportunities are immense. We do are for growth, so we will continue to do that. Whatever we do is to go into new segments that we may not be playing, innovate some of the segments that we are already doing, and take it to the next level, as they say, to be future ready. For example, we talked about the mobility feature. Till a couple of years back, none of the devices were Wi-Fi enabled, but today it's like kind of becoming a default standard. So how can we continue to ensure that we do that so that the customer need is addressed? Customer is able to print from anywhere, anytime.